Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing this amazing conditioner detangler and moisturizer with you that you could use for your hair to help your hair grow healthy and also help you detangle your hair with ease. So first ingredient for this is flax seeds. The next ingredient is clove. Just these two ingredients and your hair is going to be thanking you for this. Right before we continue in this video, please go ahead to hit the red subscribe button if this is your first time stopping by here on this channel, and if this is not your first time, please, you're very much welcome. Thank you guys for coming back to my videos. Thank you so much for showing my videos so much love, for watching them. Please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up as well. After watching, please give the video a thumbs up. Okay, thank you. So I went ahead to take out 2 tablespoons of cloves and 2 tablespoons of my flax seeds, which I'm going to be adding some water to. Now, depending on the quantity of gel you want to make, that's going to determine the amount of water you'll be adding to this, and also the amount of flax seeds you have would also determine the amount of water you should add to this, as the amount of flax seeds is going to determine if your gel is going to be thick or if it's going to be light. And also another determinant of the consistency of your gel is how long you get to boil. So you see, at this point my gel isn't that thick, but at the point of straining it became thicker because I allowed it to boil for longer. So once you see your gel looking that slimy, you could go ahead to strain it immediately. I went ahead to add 2 tablespoons of my olive oil. I added 3 drops each of my essential oils, which include my eucalyptus essential oil, my peppermint essential oil, my lavender essential oil, and last but not the least, my tea tree essential oil. So I added all of those essential oils into this, whipped it up together, and I transferred into an applicator bottle. You could basically use your hand to scoop this if you're okay with that, but I felt like this was going to make it easier for me, so I transferred this into the bottle and I went ahead to apply this to my hair. So while I apply this to my hair, let's go ahead to talk about the benefits of cloves and flaxseed. My last video I posted was about using flaxseed gel as a detangler, as a conditioner, and also as a moisturizer for your hair. The only difference between that video and this video is that due to the oats used for that gel, you cannot use it as a leave-in, but for this one you can actually use it as a leave-in. I used the flaxseed and cloves gel to twist my hair, and it was a very great moisturizer. You could use it as a leave-in. You could also use it as a detangler to detangle your hair and rinse it out, which was exactly what I did in this video. I used it as a detangler to detangle my hair and I rinsed it out immediately. I didn't leave it in my hair, but when I went ahead to twist my hair up, I used it to twist my hair up and I left that one in my hair. Though I don't have that video right here, but that was exactly what I did in that video. Okay, so to the benefits of cloves. Cloves has so many amazing benefits, just like flaxseed. Cloves, a lot of persons complain about the fact that clove actually dries out their hair, and so that's why it's important that if cloves has that drying effect on your hair, you want to use it alongside with moisturizing things. You want to use clove with things that would actually help moisturize your hair as you are using clove. The benefit for clove is that the compound eucalyptus in present in cloves actually helps strengthen the hair and also help promote healthy hair growth from the roots. So the benefits of using clove is amazing in that it helps your hair grow, but then if it's causing your hair to dry out, it's typically because you're not moisturizing your hair well enough after using cloves. So if you could use cloves as this in this form, you could use cloves as a spray and also go ahead to moisturize, probably using flaxseed gel to moisturize your hair, or you go ahead to use other greases, butters and oils to seal in the moisture and help your hair stay healthy and better. You can see how fluffy my hair is looking now. My hair is all well detangled by this, and after using this flaxseed and clove gel on your hair, you're going to see how soft and well detangled your hair is going to be. Your hair is going to be feeling really soft and fluffy. You could also use this as a wash and go, but though I've not tried it, but I've actually seen people who use it because it actually also helps with curl definition. So if you've been deep conditioning your hair properly for a while now, if you go ahead to use this, your curls are going to be popping really well, and it could work for a wash and go. So I typically went ahead to just rinse this off from my hair with water. I did not shampoo my hair. That's because my hair wasn't feeling that dirty. I just wanted something to detangle my hair, and that's the reason why I used this. So I just went ahead to rinse this off from my hair, and I used my rinse out conditioner to condition my hair even further, to also help my hair cleanse from this old gel that I applied on it. But even if you don't want to use any conditioner on your hair, it's still fine, because you could as well use this as a leave-in for your hair. So you could basically skip using the rinse out conditioner for your hair, or you could also use the rinse out conditioner for your hair after rinsing it off from your hair. So that's basically what I went ahead to do. And I also went ahead to work in sections so that every part of my hair could be well coated with this conditioner, and also I can also detangle afterwards. If I was doing this under a shower, then I would have just gone ahead, as I was pouring the water, as the water was running through my hair, I would just go ahead to pass a comb through my hair. But since I wasn't doing it under a shower, I poured the water first, and while the water was still on my hair, I went ahead to detangle my hair with the comb after rinsing off the conditioner from my hair. So typically that was all I did. I just went ahead to pass the comb through to ensure that my hair was completely detangled, and you guys could see how well my hair was detangled by using this flaxseed and oat conditioner. So I strongly recommend it. You could use it as a leave-in conditioner, you could use it as a deep conditioner, you could also use it as a detangler, just like I did. So afterwards, I went ahead to twist my hair up using the flaxseed and cloves gel as a leave-in for my hair. So this is what the twist came out looking like. It was so pretty. I rocked it for about 2 weeks, and I finally took it down. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in my next one. Bye.